Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the realm of precision craftsmanship and automated manufacturing, CNC router machines have risen as indispensable tools, shaping industries ranging from woodworking and metalworking to prototyping and signage production. These machines operate on computer numerical control, executing intricate designs with remarkable accuracy and efficiency. As technology evolves, so does the landscape of CNC routers, offering an array of features and capabilities to cater to diverse needs. In this exploration of excellence, we delve into the world of CNC routers to uncover the top 5 best CNC router machines that stand out for their cutting-edge innovation, robust construction, user-friendly interfaces, and the ability to transform imagination into reality. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic hobbyist, these CNC routers showcase the pinnacle of engineering prowess and creative potential, making them prime choices for those in pursuit of precision-driven craftsmanship. Number 5. FoxAlien CNC Router Machine. One of the first things that caught my attention was the sleek and modern design of the Router Pro. Its compact size and sturdy build give it a professional appearance that would fit well in any workshop or creative space. Setting it up was a breeze, thanks to the clear and detailed instructions provided in the package. Even for someone relatively new to CNC technology, the initial setup was straightforward. The working area of 400mm x 400mm is suitable for a wide variety of projects, from intricate designs to larger pieces. The precision of the machine is truly commendable. It consistently delivers accurate results even on intricate patterns. The Router Pro CNC capabilities are top-notch, making it a versatile tool for both beginners and experienced craftsmen. The spindle, operating at 775 to 10,000 RPM, adds to the machine's performance. It handles different materials with ease, from wood to plastics, and even softer metals. The range of speeds allows for customization based on the material and design requirements, ensuring optimal results every time. Number 4. LYBGACNC 2030-30-40-30-60-40-60 CNC Router Machine. The LYBGACNC CNC Router Machine comes with a robust design that's built to last. The 12-15mm aluminum plate rack material not only ensures durability, but also provides a stable foundation for accurate machining. The aluminum alloy T-table with a water tank adds a smart touch, aiding in cooling during prolonged operations. The incorporation of XY1605 ball screws and a Z1204 ball screw, coupled with square line rail tracks, ensures smooth and precise movement across all axes. Equipped with a 1500 W air cooling spindle motor capable of 0 to 30,000 Rmin with 6-speed regulation, this CNC router delivers consistent power for a wide range of applications. Whether you're cutting, carving, or engraving, the machine handles various materials with ease, thanks to its acceptable material thickness of D120mm. The ER11 collet with a 1/8 3.175mm collet size provides excellent precision, allowing for intricate details in your projects. Number 3. TwoTrees TTC 450 CNC Router Machine. The TTC 450 boasts a robust construction featuring a combination of 40/80 aluminum profile and sturdy sheet metal components. This blend of materials not only lends the machine impressive durability, but also ensures remarkable stability during operations. The precise engineering behind its design translates into a machine that can handle even the most intricate tasks with ease. What truly sets the TTC 450 apart is its remarkable versatility. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast, a metalwork artist, or a hobbyist looking to experiment with various materials, this CNC router has got you covered. From engraving and cutting MDF PVC and acrylic to working with solid wood particle board, and even metals like aluminum and copper, the TTC 450's capabilities are truly diverse. The inclusion of a laser engraving option further expands its creative potential. Setting up the TTC 450 was surprisingly straightforward. Number 2. COMGROW Z1 CNC Router Machine. Right out of the box, the COMGO Z1 impresses with its robust construction and attention to detail. The sturdy frame ensures stability during operation, which is crucial for achieving accurate and clean cuts. The thoughtful design allows for easy access to the work area and tool changes, making the overall experience seamless. The COMGO Z1's standout feature is undoubtedly its CNC laser engraving capability. Whether you're looking to add intricate designs to various materials or perform precise etching, this machine delivers exceptional results. Its CNC routing function is equally impressive, effortlessly handling wood-cutting tasks with remarkable precision. This dual functionality makes it a valuable addition to any workshop. Despite its advanced capabilities, the COMGO Z1 remains approachable for users of all skill levels. The intuitive interface simplifies the process of setting up projects and adjusting parameters. I particularly appreciated the inclusion of offline control via Wi-Fi, allowing for greater flexibility and convenience in managing projects without being tethered to a computer. Number 1. CNC 4040 Blue CNC Router Machine. Right off the bat, the CNC 4040 Blue's build quality is remarkable. Constructed from robust aluminum alloy, the machine exudes sturdiness and reliability. The compact design, with outside dimensions measuring 715 x 630 x 360 mm, LXWXH, ensures it doesn't take up excessive space, making it suitable for both small workshops and larger production settings. One of the standout features of this CNC router is its engraving area of 400 x 400 mm. This generous workspace allows for the creation of intricate designs and precise cuts across various materials, from wood to acrylic. The availability of different power options for the spindle, 100W, 300W, and 500W, provides flexibility based on project requirements. I opted for the 500W spindle, and the cutting and engraving results were outstanding. What sets the CNC 4040 Blue apart is its versatility. Not limited to traditional milling and engraving, this machine offers optional versions with either a laser or spindle, catering to a broader range of applications. Thanks for watching this video.